I utterly hate doing any kind of hanging of pictures, nailing up this or that, repairing anything. I don't want to do it, but sometimes I have to. I already had a toolkit, lost my hammer, needed a large size level, needed a package of nails. So I saw this and I thought, hey, you know what? Let's give it a try. It's cute, it's pink, it's little, and I'm so glad I did. Let's talk about the pros. First of all, this little tiny hammer is fantastic for my hand. The big hammers always feel kind of unwieldy, like I feel like I'm not doing a good job. And this one's just tiny, it's perfect. Look at this, beautimous. I've already pulled nails out with it. They come out just fine. This is magnetized. I'll show you more about that in just a second. This has kind of a rough surface. And then look right here. This is the piece de resistance. I don't actually speak French, and that was a stupid accent. This is a little notch. So you can put the nail right there, and the hammer assists you in driving it into the wall. I'll demonstrate this for you in just a second. It's got a nice little grip. It's got a great feel to it. It's got a great heft to it. I've used this multiple times since I've gotten it. Love it so far. And this level, I've also used it a few times for hanging some pictures. It's very lightweight and it's this beautiful pink. And then it's got multiple directions so that you can hang things straight. I still hang them crooked, but it's fine. And then last it came with this. Why do they have this? Are we supposed to hang our nails on the wall? Is this a display piece? I don't know what's going on there. But this is a good, decent case. This is the kind of case I would have used anyway if I found nails and gathered them up and put them in here. So I appreciate so much that this is done for me. It has everything I need. I've already used some that I've needed. We've got fat, long, what are we hammering here? Are we building a house with this one? I don't know. But then we've got lots of smaller sizes that are more normal. And then these do a thing that I'm unsure of. And then it looks like I've gotten some of my own tools mixed in here. That's fine, that's fine, everything's fine. And then, well, I mean, we've got pretty nails, so that's good. And a wire, I don't know what we were gonna do with this, but I think we'll be safe if someone breaks in. And these little things, I don't know how to use them. And I don't know what that has to do with wire. Maybe the wire didn't originally go there. But we've got 3 different sizes of these things. So if you need those for some reason, you got them. Anyways, if you know what some of these things do, I'd be happy to hear. It's called a picture hanging kit. But you know what would have been really good? If there were some instructions on how to use them. I guess they're assuming that everyone who buys this knows how to use it, but I had kind of hoped, this is the con for me, I had hoped that there would be instructions on how to use these things for hanging pictures. So I'm no better at hanging pictures than I was, but now I look better doing it. Let me show you how to use this hammer. See, this is a magnet. Isn't that cool? You're supposed to be able to, oh, turn it around. I've got it backwards. I'm really good with building stuff. Oh, look at that. See, isn't that so much better? It's just barely sticking out there. And you're supposed to be able to just start it. Yeah, I didn't say I was good at this. Let's get a bigger one. See, it has that little space right there. And that's where I'm assuming, I mean, this didn't come with instructions either. I'm figuring this all out on my own. And you're just supposed to be able to, did you see that? Did you see it? It works. Oh my goodness. And now you can just hammer it in. That's crazy. It works so good. Okay, it's magic. Oh, I suddenly like it even more. Okay, that's amazing. Now, if I just knew what to do with this, subscribe. See you real soon. I'll have this linked for you below because you're going to need this. It's magic. You're going to need it. You need this. And also, it's so cute. Let me know how to use this stuff. Bye.